We are discussing today how to use astrology dice. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, how do we use astrology dice? I am Fox RedSky, your astrologer and your soul coach, and the host for Astrology Obsessed. And today we will discuss how to use astrology what is it called again? Astrology dice. There we go. Got it. Yes, I was just as confused as you were. I was like, what are these dice, and how does it pertain to astrology? Like, you know, my little astrologer brain was just like, do not compute me. No, but yeah, so I have purchased some here through the, you know what this is. So I'm actually going to open this. Let me see. Got two. Hold on. I might need some scissors for this. 1 second. Well, I didn't found a knife instead, so well, it doesn't matter. Here we go. Well, what did I get out of my sweet little package? Well, could it be, oh my goodness. Oh, yeah, is it a Pokemon? No, it's not a Pokemon. This is astrology dice, yes. How do we use these? I don't know. This is the first time I've ever seen this. I'm a huge fan of all things divination. I probably have been studying every form of divination since I was 10 years old. You know, I grew up with a very, very psychic mother, and that was my life, just growing up with people who could predict the future, could tell me things, could just on a dime. So I probably have learned every form of divination you can think of on the planet, you know, tea leaves, hand palm, everything. And you know, of course I fell in love with astrology because astrology just seems to be so, I don't know, it's the language, I speak its language, you know, I'm Scorpio, what can you expect? So I got these beautiful babies, and they are really pretty. I actually got two sets. This is the first one that came in today, so I'm really excited. They're really, really pretty 12-sided dice. There's only 3 of them, so these are 12-sided dice. They're really cute. I'll get better close-ups of this. But yeah, so I was asking the same question. I was like, what is this astrology dice? I mean, I know what dice are. I know what astrology is. What are y'all trying to do to my brain? This is wrong. No. Anyway, but that wasn't that bad. They're really fun. I've already played with them. They've already kind of answered some questions for me that were pretty spookily accurate, you know. I always like to test things. And so just a little kind of from what I gathered, and I'm going to include a PDF and also a link to, if you're interested in these particular dice. I think they're very pretty. Yes, I do. I'll send you both both links of the 2 sets of dice that I end up getting. But yeah, so basically there are 3 dice, 12 sides, and each one of them represents a part of the zodiac. So we have, in this one we have the 12 houses, 1 through 12. So you have 1 through 12 on here, and you have your planets, and you also have your zodiac signs, and 12 each. So the planets represent the situation at hand. So this is kind of very situational. And then the zodiac is the emotion attached to that situation. So what kind of emotion? And then the houses is the area of life this is affecting. So I thought that was a pretty interesting, way of, it was, whoever came up with this it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I like it myself. I've been using it, not to get sidetracked, but another really awesome use I found for these gorgeous little dice here is, I also think if you're a hobbyist or if you're a professional, whatever, if you want to become a professional astrologer, these also make, minus the 1 through 12, because I'm sure you know your numbers. These make really good flashcards. So you kind of like, if you and another friend are like, oh yeah, like let's practice our, because it took me a while to learn all the glyphs and everything, and even every once in a while I'm like, no, I'm kidding, I got it all. I've been doing this for like over 20 years, so But yeah, you know, it's a great way to do flashcards, you know, and kind of test your mind and kind of, you know, get it a little bit more faster when it comes to seeing a glyph and just like, bam, I got it. So, you know, these aren't so bad. I enjoy it. I'm having fun. I like their texture a lot too. I think they're not too small. I don't know, they feel good in my hand for sure. And I've played around with them, and like I said, like, I got some pretty spooky, accurate answers. So if you're interested, this is how you use these astrology dice. Anyway, I want to thank you so much for just, you know, listening. And if this is like your first time to my channel, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I send you all my love, and I'm just wishing you the best. And then if you're interested in these beautiful dice, I have a link in the description. And yeah, God bless you. Mwah.